What if your dream classic Mustang is on the market right now, and it's more affordable than you think? From beautifully restored originals to powerful V8 builds and rare convertibles, today we're counting down 10 incredible classic Mustangs for sale across America that every Ford enthusiast needs to see. Car number 1. We're kicking off today's lineup with a beautifully restored 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe that's guaranteed to impress both collectors and casual enthusiasts alike. Located in Hackettstown, New Jersey, and listed for $22,000, this ivy green Mustang perfectly captures the charm that made the first-generation pony car a legend. Under the hood is the original-style 200 cubic-inch inline-six engine, which has been completely rebuilt. Paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, it offers a simple, dependable, and authentic driving experience that takes you right back to the mid-1960s. The optional parchment pony interior is one of the highlights of this car. Featuring the iconic embossed running horse seat design, it gives the cabin an upscale look that remains one of the most recognizable Mustang interior packages ever produced. According to the seller, this Mustang underwent a complete restoration with everything replaced or rebuilt. The body is described as completely rust-free, and both the new tires and battery make it ready to hit the road immediately. Adding to its story, the seller is including previous trophies the car has won over the years, showing that this Mustang has already earned recognition at local shows and events. Finished in its elegant ivy green paint, this coupe delivers timeless style without relying on excessive modifications. It's a classic that celebrates originality and craftsmanship, making it an ideal weekend cruiser or addition to a growing collection. For anyone searching for a fully restored first-generation Mustang at an approachable price, this one deserves a serious look. Car number 2. Next up is another 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe, but this one takes a more performance-oriented approach. Located in Middlebury, Connecticut, and priced at $31,000, this striking red lava Mustang is powered by a 289 cubic-inch V8 paired with a desirable 5-speed manual transmission. That 5-speed conversion transforms the driving experience, offering quicker acceleration around town while allowing relaxed highway cruising thanks to the extra overdrive gear. The seller notes that the paint has been refreshed and still presents beautifully, giving the car outstanding curb appeal from every angle. The front seats have been reupholstered, adding comfort while preserving the classic Mustang feel inside the cabin. Mechanically, several upgrades have already been completed, including a new fuel pump and performance headers that allow the small block V8 to breathe more freely and produce a deeper exhaust tone. An additional bonus is the brand new clutch that's included with the sale, still unused and ready for future installation if needed. Rather than being a trailer queen, this Mustang is described as a great driver, and that's exactly where many enthusiasts find the most enjoyment. It blends vintage styling with practical upgrades, making it the kind of classic you'll want to drive every chance you get. Car number 3. Our third Mustang proves that thoughtful upgrades can dramatically improve an already iconic car. This 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe is listed in Springfield, Massachusetts for $19,500 and wears a distinctive turquoise exterior over a black interior. While the car maintains its original appearance, underneath the hood it has been upgraded with a larger 302 cubic-inch V8 and a later model automatic transmission. That combination delivers noticeably more power than the factory setup while improving everyday drivability. The owner explains that more than $15,000 has been invested over 3 decades, with numerous mechanical and safety improvements completed along the way. One particularly valuable upgrade is the addition of front disc brakes, providing stronger and more consistent stopping power compared to the original drum brakes. Originally a California car, the seller reports that it remains rust-free except for minor attention needed around the rain channels above the doors. The vehicle has reportedly never been driven during winter or rainy weather, helping preserve its overall condition throughout the years. This Mustang isn't presented as a museum piece, but rather as a well-maintained classic that's been thoughtfully improved to make driving even more enjoyable. For buyers looking for vintage style combined with upgraded reliability and V8 performance, this could be an excellent choice. Car number 4. Now let's take a look at something truly special.
a 1967 Ford Mustang convertible with an incredible ownership story. Listed in Tacoma Park, Maryland for $27,500, this diamond blue convertible remains remarkably original while benefiting from extensive maintenance and careful preservation. Powered by its original style 289 two-barrel V8 and backed by a C4 automatic transmission, the car also features factory power steering, a center console, and a power-operated convertible top. The seller includes a Marti report documenting the car's original factory specifications, an important piece of documentation appreciated by Mustang enthusiasts and collectors alike. What really sets this car apart is the extensive list of maintenance completed over the past few years. Nearly every major mechanical system has been refreshed, including cooling components, steering parts, suspension, brakes, drivetrain components, ignition upgrades, fuel system repairs, and weather stripping. Perhaps the most fascinating detail is the road trip this Mustang completed last summer. According to the seller, the car was driven from Maryland to Portland, Oregon, then down the Pacific coast to Los Angeles before returning all the way back to Maryland. That's thousands of miles across America, proving that this classic isn't just beautiful to look at, it's capable of being enjoyed exactly as its designers intended. The seller openly mentions that the engine compression numbers suggest future engine work may eventually be needed, but the car still runs, drives, and remains fully functional, even down to the original dashboard clock. It's an honest survivor with an incredible story already written and many more adventures still ahead.
Car number 5. The final Mustang in today's lineup is a customized 1968 Ford Mustang Coupe that combines classic styling with modern performance upgrades. Located in Coupe, New York, and priced at $25,600, this car has been built for enthusiasts who enjoy driving as much as showing off their classics. The engine features aluminum cylinder heads and an aluminum intake manifold to reduce weight and improve performance. A brand new high-performance clutch and lightweight flywheel have recently been installed, resulting in smoother shifting and quicker throttle response. Fuel delivery is handled by a large 700 CFM carburetor, while an upgraded electronic ignition system improves reliability and easier starting. One of the standout modifications is the four-wheel disc brake setup, giving the car significantly improved stopping capability over the original design. The suspension has also been upgraded with front and rear sway bars and a lowered stance, helping improve handling while giving the Mustang a more aggressive appearance. The fiberglass hood and trunk lid reduce weight, while the sequential rear lighting adds a unique custom touch inspired by Shelby-style builds. Inside, the interior is described as being in like-new condition and features an aftermarket audio system for added convenience. Cold air conditioning makes summer cruising comfortable, while the aggressive 3-inch exhaust system with chrome tips ensures everyone nearby knows this Mustang is coming. Rather than aiming for factory originality, this build focuses on performance, drivability, and individuality, creating a classic Mustang that's equally at home on the highway, at a local cruise night, or parked proudly at a weekend car show. Car number 6. Let's continue with a seriously upgraded 1968 Ford Mustang Coupe that looks ready for both the street and the drag strip. Located in Penns Grove, New Jersey, and priced at $20,000, this blue-on-blue Mustang has clearly been built with performance in mind, while still retaining the unmistakable style of the original first-generation pony car. Power comes from a 302 cubic inch V8, paired with a Dan Williams top-loader 4-speed manual transmission, one of the most respected manual gearboxes among classic Mustang enthusiasts. The drivetrain is backed by aggressive 3.55 rear gears, providing excellent acceleration while remaining comfortable enough for weekend cruising. One of the biggest upgrades is the 4-wheel disc brake conversion, dramatically improving stopping power over the factory setup and making the car more confidence-inspiring in modern traffic. The seller also mentions Caltrax traction bars, a popular performance modification that helps reduce wheel hop and improve traction during hard launches. Billet Specialties wheels complete the package with a modern performance appearance that contrasts nicely against the Mustang's timeless body lines. Although the car has spent the last 2 years sitting in the garage after the owner lost interest, it was recently taken out on Memorial Day and reportedly runs great. Sometimes the best opportunities come from unfinished enthusiasm, and this Mustang could be exactly that, a well-built performance car waiting for someone new to appreciate it.
Car number 7. Next up is an affordable entry into classic Mustang ownership that still delivers plenty of vintage charm. This 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe is listed in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania for just $13,000, making it one of the most budget-friendly cars in today's lineup. Finished in bright cherry red over a black interior, the car has recently received a fresh paint job that gives it impressive curb appeal. Under the hood remains its original 200 cubic inch inline-6 engine, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, preserving the simple mechanical layout that made early Mustangs dependable and easy to maintain. The seller describes the car as original, making it an attractive option for buyers who appreciate authenticity rather than heavy customization. Additional improvements include new tires, new wheels, a fresh battery, and new spark plugs, helping ensure the Mustang is ready for enjoyable weekend drives. With 86,000 miles showing, this classic represents a straightforward and honest example of Ford's legendary pony car. For someone looking to enter the classic car hobby without spending collector-level money, this Mustang offers timeless styling, mechanical simplicity, and undeniable American character at an accessible price point.
Car number 8. Our 8th vehicle is a 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe that combines classic looks with extensive mechanical upgrades. Listed in Kernersville, North Carolina for $22,500, this red Mustang has seen significant investment over the past year, with the seller reporting more than $15,000 spent on improvements. Power comes from a professionally rebuilt 289 cubic inch V8 featuring aluminum cylinder heads, roller rockers, a mild performance camshaft, and ceramic-coated headers. The engine and C4 automatic transmission were rebuilt only 6 months ago and have accumulated less than 1,000 miles since completion. Supporting upgrades include an aluminum radiator for improved cooling, Flowmaster exhaust, power steering, power brakes, front disc brakes, and a rebuilt front suspension. The seller also notes that the car retains factory air conditioning equipment, adding comfort rarely found on many classic Mustangs. The paint, chrome, interior, floors, trunk, and body are all described as being in solid condition, creating an attractive package that's ready to be driven and enjoyed immediately. Rather than requiring restoration work, this Mustang appears to offer the next owner the opportunity to simply turn the key and hit the road. It's an ideal combination of classic appearance and modern reliability upgrades.
Car number 9. Now, let's check out a sinister-looking 1966 Ford Mustang, finished in an all-black color combination that gives it unmistakable muscle car attitude. Located in Holbrook, Massachusetts, and listed for $20,000, this coupe is powered by a desirable 289 cubic inch V8 backed by an automatic transmission. According to the seller, the car has had only 2 owners and has been paid off, adding another layer of appeal for prospective buyers. One of its most striking features is the aggressive stance created by oversized rear tires, giving the Mustang the classic street machine appearance that enthusiasts have loved for decades. The seller mentions that the car turns heads everywhere it goes, and it's easy to understand why.
The black paint paired with a matching black interior creates a clean and intimidating look that never goes out of style. Inside, the cabin has already been redone and reportedly presents very well, while updated power steering improves maneuverability and everyday driving comfort. This Mustang doesn't rely on flashy modifications to stand out. It succeeds through clean styling, strong proportions, and the timeless appeal of a V8-powered first-generation pony car. It's a simple, honest classic that continues to attract attention wherever it travels.
Car number 10. The final Mustang in today's collection is another beautifully preserved 1966 model, powered by Ford's legendary 289 V8. Located in Hyde Park, New York, and priced at $23,000, this red coupe combines documented history with tasteful upgrades that improve reliability while respecting the car's original character. The seller explains that the engine has been rebuilt, with the odometer reflecting the mileage accumulated since that rebuild, rather than the car's total lifetime mileage. A new 3-core aluminum radiator has been installed to provide improved cooling efficiency, particularly helpful during warm summer cruising or stop-and-go traffic. The Mustang also wears new period-correct wheels and tires that preserve its authentic mid-60s appearance while giving it a fresh look. Finished in bright red over a black interior, the car captures the unmistakable style that made the Mustang an instant success when it debuted. The seller states that it runs and drives well and includes documentation supporting its history, something many collectors appreciate when evaluating a classic vehicle. This Mustang isn't trying to be a radical custom build or an over-restored showpiece. Instead, it represents what many enthusiasts truly want: a dependable, attractive V8-powered classic that can be driven regularly, enjoyed at local cruise nights, and proudly passed down to the next generation. It's a fitting conclusion to today's lineup of iconic American pony cars, each offering its own unique interpretation of one of the most influential automobiles ever built. So, which Mustang would you choose? Would you take the fully restored 1966 Ivy Green Coupe, the road trip-ready 1967 Convertible, or one of the upgraded V8-powered street machines? Share your favorite in the comments below. If you love classic Mustangs and American muscle cars, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We feature new collections of amazing classic cars for sale every week, and you won't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.